plane was about to crash in Manila Bay. There were 5 passengers on board, but only 4 parachutes. The first passenger said, "I am Mayor Isko Moreno, the chosen one. The Philippines needs me, I can't afford to die," so he took the parachute and left the plane. The second passenger, Manny Pacquiao, said, "I am the next president of the Philippines, so Filipino don't want me die." He took the second parachute and jumped out of the plane. The third passenger, Lenny Robredo, said, "I'm the vice president. A lot of people depend on me," so she grabbed the parachute next to her and left the plane. The fourth passenger, Bongbong Marcos, said to the fifth passenger, a 10-year-old boy, "I have lived a full life, and served my country the best I could. I will sacrifice my life and let you have the last parachute." The boy said, "That's okay, Mr. President, there is a parachute for you." Vice President Robredo grabbed my school bag.
What? What the fuck?
Ay, di mali! Sigulatan, sikita! Sikit!